So Palmerston College, we really had to work with kind of two roof faces there, as well as a walkway. We had a limited amount of room, so we had to go with the 400s obviously, so we could get bigger size on that roof, utilising the size. It was about decreasing their power bill. So right now, after we've finished, we've probably sitting around the 27% of their entire load we're offsetting, which is great. And on the weekends, obviously a little bit more due to the school being closed. We utilised the 400s on this job because we had a minimum roof requirement that we could work with. So being able to put 225 panels on this roof meant we could achieve the highest system for the school. We find that the 400s have proven to be a much more efficient panel than other panels that we've installed, which is why we opted to put it on Northern Territory government schools. At the moment, this school generates around 480 kilowatt hours per day, offsetting their usage. So with this job here, we've used the 400 watt because we had minimum roof space to work with. Using the 400s, which is a much larger panel, we were able to basically install and complete a 90 kilowatt solar system to get the most efficient system we could for this school. Matched with 225 optimizers, really gives great efficiency, reliability, and overall quality to the entire installation.